So last episode I showed you a number of cool songs that had a high-paced strum to test out your endurance and your strumology skill. Well, this week we dial it down a notch or two. I'm going to take you through a few songs where the strum along with the chord pattern is really cool and really smooth. Let's make a start. So strumology is my term for what I believe is the most important element of Campfire guitar. Yes, everyone gets hung up on the chord patterns and that, but that's the mechanical part of the guitar playing. This is the feel end of the guitar. So these 7 songs all have a really cool groove to them because of the strum in combination with the chord pattern. Let me show you what I mean. Right, this first song, super cool. 3 easy chords first, an A minor, an F, and an E, but with an E7 thrown in there where I'm putting my pinky on that 3rd fret B string. Now the best thing about this song, it mixes up a number of strumming techniques, string muting, string accenting. You'll notice I'll do bass strings and then the skinny strings. Anyway, enough talk, let's show you how cool this sounds. Half of my heart is in Havana, back to East Atlanta, oh na na. Oh, my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. And hey folks, yes I am playing this right hand guitar upside down because I'm a left hand player, which means my chord patterns are going to appear upside down to most of you. Don't let that worry you, just get your fingers in the right place. It's all about focusing at the other end of the guitar. This is where the magic's happening today. Right, this next song, another really cool groove, 4 chords in a circle, the same sequence over and over again by British rocker Joe Jackson. And it's got a bit of a percussive element to it, but you'll recognise it immediately. I'll put a capo on the 2nd fret for this song. Pretty woman walking with the grillers down my street. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there where this lady where I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I've been told. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? I guess my eyes don't deceive me. There's something going on around here. There are many super cool and groovy songs that usually arpeggio strum. This one is one of my favourites from Amy Winehouse. 4 simple chords in a sequence, and it features my favourite chord, the open B7. Let's do it now. I'll do a partial playthrough picking it up right from the chorus. We only said goodbye with words. I died 100 times, but you go back to her and I go back. I go back to us. I love you. Right, this song is all about down strums, some fast chord changes, but such a cool groove. You'll recognise this one too, starting on an E, goes to a G, to a C add 9, back to the G, then to an A. This is how it comes together. Sometimes I feel I've got to run away, I've got to get away from the pain you drive into the heart of me. The love we share seems to go nowhere, and I lost my life. Oh, I toss and turn, I can't sleep at night. Once I ran from you, oh, now I run from you. This tainted love you're giving, I give you all. Yes folks, YouTube will probably issue me a copyright strike on this video because I'm covering songs that I don't have the rights for, which means I'll get no ad revenue for this video forever. So if you want to support a small channel like mine, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and maybe go to my Patreon page and consider becoming a member of the Campfire Guitar Hero band. Right, this song, another cool, funky, groovy song based around the G and the F. And I'm doing a lot of just bass string strumming, and I'm doing some string muting. So it sort of starts like this, right? Let's get into it. Never could believe the things you do to me. Never could believe the way you are. Every day I bless the day you got through to me. 'Cause baby, I believe that you're a star. Everyone's winner, baby, that's the truth. Making love with you is such a thrill. Everyone's winner, baby, that's no lie. You never fail to satisfy. Folks, a super big shout out to all my subscribers. This is how many I've got right now. Small channel, starting to grow. Help me out. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Right, the final song is the ultimate beginner friendly song. This is the one you learn before you learn any other song. Two simple chords starting on the E minor, and it's all about the strum if you want to play it authentically. Most beginners start with just 4 down strums like this. Once you're beyond that, you throw in a couple of up strums, so it'll sound like this. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the light. But of course, to sound just like the original song, you need to emphasize the up or down strums, depending on whether you're left or right-handed like me. What I mean by that is you're emphasizing those final strums on the skinny strings. Now let me demonstrate it, and you've got to hear the difference, okay? That's how to play this song properly. Let me play the full verse and the chorus. Let's do it now. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. See, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. Now I've been doing a series of strumming videos where I've been taking it beyond the basic down, up, down strumming. So if you want to take your strumming to the next level, then you definitely need to check out this video right here.